Hello, this is day 2 of me documenting my day trading journey. Uh, I think we should start off with what happened yesterday. After I got off the charts, I watched a few trade recaps from other YouTubers like TJR, Big Chart Trades, and all that. And I noticed like everybody was in shorts except for me. So clearly I was doing something wrong there. After some reanalysis of what I did, I realized I low-key should have been bearish too. Like, first of all, this big fucking SMT that we have on ES, sweeping that 4 hour, and we were respecting this big 4 hour fair value gap. That's just two big bearish confirmations right there. So, should have been bearish. Waited for market open, which was like here. Oh, it's not really highlighted there. And there was also a fucking an order block too. Where was it? On the 4 hour. Wants to show me. Okay. This little order block here, and we were traded into it and respected it too on market open, which was right here. So you see we wicked into it, got a strong closure out of it. So I should have waited for a retrace after that closure and then taken a short out of it, but for some reason I was focused on longs. But if I were to take the short, I would have waited for this retrace and then waited for a closure out of it. So we retraced into it, got a nice little closure out of the 0.5 Fibonacci. Oh, that's the long again. Don't want to make the same mistake twice there. So yeah, right there, boom. Then we could have targeted this low right here for a nice little 1 to 2, or just gone for these equal lows, which they're equal on ES but not on NQ, for London and Asia lows. And yes, it would have got stopped out, but at least then I would have been trading with an actual high confluence bias, other than just kind of going for longs, you know. But yeah, new day, new me. We live and we learn. Let's see what the bias is today. But low-key, after we shot up yesterday, we did kind of inverse this big fucking 4 hour. So I am leaning more bullish today though, because now we actually have the confluences for it. We inversed that 4 hour, and before we go higher up, I guess we're gonna get kind of a retrace. Don't know where to though. Maybe this 0.5. There's a fair value gap there we could tap into. So that would be a nice little. Oh, all right. We got an SMT here, I think. So ES already tapped into that fair value gap that we're talking about. Yeah, right there. And then it's already trading out of it. So that's already a nice little bullish SMT there. So that means London session is going up at the minute, yeah. So in order for me to get a long trade here, I would like on market open to get like a 5-minute manipulation. So maybe some of these lows over here would be nice. Some equal low right there. Yeah, a little manipulation of these lows before shooting up would be a perfect little entry for me there. Then we could target London highs, or maybe even previous day highs. So that'd be nice little targets. I'd prefer if we leave this part untouched for now. We just kind of get a retrace during London until Asia opens. Then we can target those. And I think I have about, after yesterday's loss, I have about 600 left in my account. So we're starting off the year strong with an almost blown eval. What I have to do is I can only risk 600, so I'm just gonna change that now before things get tragic. You petty. 600 and 600 for the short as well. And I finally figured out how to actually, what is this? Yeah, how to actually trade. Because yesterday, as you guys saw, I entered it and then I didn't actually confirm my stop loss or TP. So I almost got liquidated on the first actual trade, which was Crazy. But yeah, now I know you have to actually click confirm when you set the stop loss and TP. So I'll be ready for it. And Q, I'm ready for you. Oh, we did kind of sweep this low here, so it's not really valid anymore. There's a bit of an SMT there. So yeah, if we want to retrace, we'd have to get these. Maybe, what's this down here? Fair value, yeah, tap into the fair value gap. Again, maybe a little retrace, a little retest of the fair value gap. Still very bullish SMT on NQ there. Yeah, today I actually have decent confluences to be bullish. So we'll have to see what market open offers us in 10 minutes. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. I'm gonna pause the recording real quick. We're back. Okay, New York session is it just opened. Let's see what's gonna happen. Ideally, we do not touch this. Leave it alone. It doesn't want to get touched. Okay, fair enough. Okay, we got that. A little SMT there. Are we just gonna shoot straight up, bro? Please don't, man. Let me get an entry first. Pretty please. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. Should have known. It's time to whip out my secret technique. I can't lie, it's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good, bruv. Wow, holy shit. We already took out 90% of the draw liquidity I had for the day. Oh no. SMT though. Not this high. Could be short now. And we're inside this 5-minute fair value gap over here. Let's see if respect it or inverse it. Right there. Ooh. Has NQRD disrespected it? Not really. Let's see what happens. NQRD swept London highs, and ES has not swept London highs. So this could be a potential manipulation before a little drop down lower to get some more liquidity to then fuel the main move up. And I would not mind catching that move down before the move up. Or if I don't get an opportunity to do so, I'll just wait for the move up again. Either way, I'm gonna wait a bit longer. I feel like NQ might as well go for this, since it's already digging up. 2 minutes until we know if the thing is inversed or not. I'm going TikTok. Oh man, bro. I want to play some Geometry Dash. What? Has it not been 2 minutes? What the fuck?
I need iron. I might actually have to go mining for that. What is this? Diorite! Oh my god! No! No! I won't be him. I didn't mean to.
Anyways, back to the charts. Let's see what's going on. The 4 hour is looking like we're just gonna go up really. That might have been the retrace already. Look at this magnet on my face. That might have been the retrace. Because we got kind of a manipulation of this lows and then shot up. 30 minutes until this kind of closes. I guess if that closes strong, then we're bullish anyways. But I low-key want to get a deeper manipulation first before we go for all this shit up here. And mark it out. So high there. Another high up here. Do I think we're gonna go all the way up there? No. But just in case. You never know with these shitty ass markets. Let's see what's going on. It looks like we are going to inverse this fair value gap, I can't lie. What am I looking at? Oh. Yeah, 30 seconds. Let's see. Whoa, what's going on, NQ? I do not mind this, you know. Close like somewhere down here. Come on, sellers. Fuck you doing, seller? Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. 2 seconds. Not too bad, actually. Not too bad. We got a little sweep there. And then... Oh, and we respected this fair value gap. Yo, we're low-key gonna drop lower now. Okay. Now what would I use to enter here for a short? Let's see. We got our manipulation. So now we need our break of structure. And we have an SMT. SMT manipulation, respected fair value gap. We want a break of structure. And then a retrace. Yeah. Sounds good. So low-key, if we inverse this fair value gap right here, that's the break. And then we catch a little retrace and follow it through to the end. That would be an A+ setup in my opinion. Oh, fuck. I should go bought up, bro. This fair value gap is fucking Thor, bro. And no, ES hasn't even touched it, bro. That's oof. I don't mean to keep flipping biases, but that's kind of a high confluence move right there. SMT into the fair value gap. How'd I draw this? I don't know, you get what I'm trying to say. But there's an SMT there. ES didn't touch the fair value gap while NQ wicked it a bit and then shot up. Let's see. Damn, that's a strong fucking buy up too, bro. That's not just any. I underrespected this 1 minute on the way down too. I don't mean to, like, you know what I mean. I don't know. That's negative RR though. If we go for that, that's 2-2 on. But I don't like how big the stop loss is, so I'm not taking this. That wick and that fucking double wick as well. I don't know. I don't trust it. So I'm gonna just wait. I feel like I should stay with my original bearish bias. No, my bias was originally bullish. But I feel like I should still stay bearish. Because I don't even know why, to be fair. That's why we're here, to learn. Make mistakes, learn from them. But yeah, let's see what happens. Have I even unpaused this? Oh, bro, my heart dropped. Fuck. Okay. Let's see. I don't like this double wick business going on. There was no news today. It was just fucking yellow folder at like 7 p.m. So we'll be alright. Oh, orange folder. I don't mean to offend any yellows out there. But yeah. Let's see. Don't tell me we're just gonna fuck around until... I hate wicks like this, bro. It's like make up your fucking mind. Oh. Still bearish. I mean bullish though. No, bearish. My head is getting scrambled. Okay. Gonna inverse it. Retesting the fair value gap again soon. Okay, we're back into the fair value gap. The second time, if we close out of it again, that's like, come on, bro. Let's see here. If that's the case, I might low-key just take it. Oh, fuck, never mind. I was hoping that would leave a fair value gap there. So if we respected it and shot back up, we would inverse it, and that's an entry to go long. But it looks like it's not the case. We swept that London high, and then we just started consolidating a bit. But I think now the move is coming soon. So yeah, we're gonna inverse this hopefully, and then we get like a retrace. Would we even need a retrace? Because like, look at all this fucking movement back and forth, buyers and sellers. So retrace, I wouldn't say it's really necessary. We just need a strong close. Then we got these low side liquidities. We got, yeah, just hella lows right here. What are these called? Stacked lows or something? But yeah, we can collect them on our way to London and the fair value gap, hopefully. Or not, because we're respecting this fair value gap again. But yeah, that's why I was hoping this would leave a I was hoping this would be like a fair value gap right here, 1 minute. So I could have just entered that. But I don't like this wiki business going on. Still an SMT. Yes, hasn't touched that fair value gap yet. This is some fiddly price action, man. Shout out P. Diddy. Oh, we're back into the fair value gap again. Oh. I think this time it's actually going to close out of it. Okay, for the first time we closed in the fair value gap. That's really, yeah. We're going to go even lower now. I want to wait for the 5 minute to close before I can actually consider this inversed. Because there's still that SMT going, oh, fucking hell. Okay, sellers are coming in. It's about damn time. Where have you been all my life? Ah, where's my phone? Ideally, I want to be in a trade by what time? Let's say I can't trade after 4 because I have work and shit. But ideally, I want to be in a trade between now and like 3:30. I found that's just the best time for me to be in a trade. Anytime after that, there's like less volatility, more chances of getting manipulated, shit like that. So now would be like around now to 2:30 would be the best time for me to enter one. We've still got 3 minutes for this candle to close. We'll see what happens. Are we respecting it for the 3rd time? God damn, this fair value gap is holding, bro. Fucking hell. This shit is tight as fuck. Bonnie Blue could never. Alright, let's see. 2 minutes, 30 seconds left. Let's see where the road takes us. Fucking hell. Another push down. We've got this low still there. This wick, bro, is so indecisive. Hey, okay. Yes, entered the fair value gap. NQ is still kind of fiddling about it. It doesn't know whether to close out of it or close above it. We shall see. And this final 2 candles. Yeah, this SMT is no longer valid. Into the fair value gap. Will that? Yeah, it would. I was going to ask the dumb question. But yeah, an SMT does count if one enters the fair value gap and the other doesn't. Oh. Come on, man. Do something. If PA keeps moving like this, it might be a no trade Tuesday. To be fair, there's no news. I guess the volatility won't be like that. But still, man. How much I need to make to get out of drawdown? It's about 1.5. Okay, just a little 1.25. That'll be good. We shall see. And from there, my trading journey actually begins. This fuck ass wick, god damn. Oh yeah, I'm bullish now, bro. I don't care what anybody says. Okay, this closes strong. We go our sweep. And it was supposed to be a breakup structure, but it actually just retested this fair value gap before going up higher. There'll be no reason for it to go up higher unless you want to keep going higher. So this is low key. It's about to break structure here too, to the upside. We shall see. If I were to enter this, enter on that closure, stop 50 points still. I mean, yeah. So I don't know. I still don't like the look of that. But this would low-key be a decent entry right here though. 58 points. So I've never had a stop that big. That's why I'm kind of hesitating to go in with it. And also, we don't really have enough confluences. But we got our... Is that closure above 7.5? Hey, it is. Okay. So now we wait for a retrace into something. Right. Okay, we inverse that. Another bullish confirmation. Everything is just shouting bullish, bullish, bullish. Can get rid of this fair value gap. I doubt would be going down there again. But I want to at least wick down here before shooting back up. So I can get a good entry, you know. But if we shoot up, at least I know my analysis was correct to an extent. I'd just be a bit disappointed that I couldn't get in. Maybe I should have got in here. Oh, 1 minute fair value gap right there we could retrace into. So we tap in there a bit. Okay. No longer an SMT because we swept that high on ES and then Q. Okay. Are we gonna get that retrace right about now? Or are we gonna fiddle about before shooting up higher? It looks like we're about to shoot up higher. What's the next draw? Is the same on both pairs? It's gonna be previous day Asia. I mean, previous day New York. What's this? Oh, I don't know, but it's about to get taken anyways. Or is it? Low-key, just leave it right there. Don't take it. Come back. Retrace a bit. Let me get my entry and then shoot up. How about that? If I have to enter this up, go there. Stop loss down here below the fair value gap, well below it. So that we can retrace more into premium and then shoot up. There goes that. It looks like it's not looking good. So if we did take this trade here, we would have been up at the minute at like 500, 1-to-1. Not too shabby. But I'm gonna stick to my rules. Enter only with confluences. But now if we kind of start going down, I wouldn't really like it as much because we just swept kind of a nice little key level right there. Oh, let me keep that there just as a reference. Oh, okay, we could still go down, but there's just so much bullish confirmation that I'm still bullish. So I would consider this a retrace instead of a reversal. Into the 1 minute. Another fair value gap here if you don't want to go all the way down there. Don't get greedy, you know. Or is it just gonna tickle it? Low-key, I wouldn't mind an SMT of the fair value gap, which we are kind of getting. If it goes a bit lower, ES will not be able to reach it. So that would be a high confluence entry right there. Just tickle it, tickle it. You know you want to. Come on. It's my fucking edge in it, bro. Come on, don't be a dick, bro. Go down. You already know what time it is. The Magnus strat has never failed me before. What the fuck? Fuck. Oh shit. What was wrong with the magnet? Oh, I had the wrong poles on it. Oh my god. Wait, let me lock in. Bow, 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 bow. What the fuck was that? Was that news? No, we don't have any news. Why did it do that? I just didn't like my magnet. Okay. And now it's gonna keep going up. What the fuck? I'm not liking the look of this trade. I don't want to force an entry. It might just be a no trade to Tuesday, actually. The next draw on liquidity is all the way up there. Unless there's even more that we haven't seen. Not really. It is generally just all the way up there. Unless it's going to dig all the way up without retracing, I should be able to get an entry. Unless that was a retrace. There's a lot of unlesses going on. Do we have a 5-minute fair value gap? No. Whoa. Okay. It's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good. I think we are just gonna dig up to that fucking. If it hits that before giving me an entry opportunity, I might just call it a day. Or I could try and look for a short as a retrace. But I never liked trading retraces. I just prefer catching the big move instead of the retrace. But we'll still have time if we hit it to look for a retrace out of it. I'll look, but not be that inclined to take it. Let's see. What you doing, NQ? Damn. Now I'm regretting not taking this fucking trade right here. With a break of structure. 60-point stop loss. You know, no, I'm not regretting that. That's a crazy stop. And that would have been 1.5, 1.25. Not too bad, actually. Oh. Okay. We're getting a strong rejection from somewhere. Or is this just a retrace? 2 minutes. Are we respecting this fair value gap here? 1 minute, yeah. And on this, we have an SMT where we haven't even reached it. No, we have a bit. No, we haven't actually. Low key, break above this. Might be an entry right there. 36 points. 1 to 1.5. But I don't like that. I don't like that RR. I like catching 2 and above. Sometimes you have to take what you're given, you know. If you're too greedy, come back and bite you in the dick. Let's see what we want to do here. Is that 5-minute closed yet? In 18 seconds? No, 1 minute and 18. We're gonna get a break of structure in 8 seconds. If so, that might be the entry. No, we're not. 5 minutes about to close. This candlestick. Well, I'm tired. I didn't even go gym today. Not yet, at least. Still gotta get some breakfast at 3 p.m. before work. Let's see what we doing. This is for sure gonna turn into a Fair Valley Gap. Fuck these 1 minute Fair Valley Gaps. I prefer one big fat 5 minute Fair Valley Gap. That's what I'm talking about. And right in the middle of that, what is it? Equilibrium. Equilibrium. So low key, that's a nice little retrace opportunity right there. And there's a low wicket snag right here. You know, fuck this trade. There's like a high confluence retrace down there. I'm gonna wait for that. If we don't get it, then I'm gonna call it a day. It's clearly the market is just not with me. Or I'm not with it. It's never the market's fault. I learned that. No way it starts consolidating at 3 p.m. Like, that's still early. Still got all move to make. Still snowing. Yeah, still a lot of snow. Fuck. I almost fell on my ass yesterday. This damn snow. How do old people survive in that shit, bro? I feel like a few old niggas died, like, due to snow yesterday, bro. All that black ice and shit. Oh. Oh my god, we got a closure out at the 1 minute. Wow. No breaker structure. Should I enter this trade? If I put the stop below the Fair Valley Gap instead, it gives me a bit of a better RR. What's going on? But I'm scared the minute I enter, that's when the retrace is gonna want to start. Fuck it, I'm not doing that. If I have doubt in it, I won't take it. Watch it shoot up to my TP now, bro. I'm not loving this PA. I'm gonna get off the charts, then up in TikTok. If you missed today's trade, then you're a dumbass. If you didn't catch this long, then wow, you should quit trading. Bro, every time, bro. Maybe I should, bro. That's low-key moving without me. I'm gonna give the magnet one more try before I completely give up on it. Yeah. Bring that booty over here, boy. You know, don't even give me a retrace, bro. I don't want it anyways. Just go to my TP. Fuck ass chart. Yeah, I don't want that. Great. Fuck you. I'm just gonna go on TikTok. I'm not even interested in the charts right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to fucking sleep. What's this PA, bro? At least for the rest of the week, it's gonna be good news. So the nice little trading days. Oh, it's just a new kind of. I got scared. Telling you, if you act uninterested in the charts, they'll just bless you. God damn, that chart is filled. Ah, damn, this chart is so boring. I don't even want to watch it, man. Love me. Love me. Love me. Oh, baby, love me. 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 Damn. It looks like it's a no trade for me today, man. Clavicular. Met with a ranked #1 chat. Fucking unemployed shit, bro. No way. Being jumped should actually be foot. Fair enough, bro. Ah. Valid reaction. I can't lie, it's actually not looking good, bro. It's not looking good. I should just taken this original trade for over here with the 60-point stop loss and got that 2.5 R. Now I'd be up fucking 1K at the minute. Oof. Oh well. I'm glad I didn't because I wasn't too sure about it. It wasn't really part of my trading plan, so I didn't take it. It's for the best. I'm saying that so now the market plummets down to my entry and lets me in. But it looks like that's not gonna happen. Unless. Alright guys, I'm gonna close the charts. I'm gonna close the charts. Damn, doesn't fuck with me. Let's check what's going on. Yeah. Oh. Oh fuck. Why is TikTok turning into IG, bro? Is people getting hit by cars and shit? How do you keep going? You see the oh wow, you're actually murked. I was about to say kirked, but I feel like I'm not allowed to say that. Bro.
Okay, guys, if you up, you are thousands of driver tests are getting cancelled all over the UK. And I mean, it's not hard to guess why. 90% of the UK is completely covered in snow. Now, the frustrating thing is, all of you guys that have got your driver tests coming up have been waiting for months. Because if you didn't know, in the UK, it is pretty much impossible to get a driving test right now. On a positive note, if any of you do need cheaper car insurance quotes with no black box.
Oh shit, yo, 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 let me lock in. Bow, 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 bow. What's going on? Don't play with me, niggas. What am I even like looking for at this point? I guess I wanted to retrace all the way down here and then shoot up to that, but I feel like it's just gonna consolidate its way up there instead of getting a retrace. Look at that fucking 4 bullish candles, bro. Wow, man. Wow, let me delete this shit. That's crazy. Yeah, fuck this. It was no trading day for me. Even if we get that retrace, I'm not liking the movement of the market. So yeah, thanks for tuning into this segment. See you in the next video.